Right. On the Silver 5150 channel, advanced stacking. Here at the Silver 5150 channel, we like going into our big bars and our big coins and all of the things that look impressive and big, but at some point you have to think about breaking things down, getting small, getting fractional, getting down to the gram. To wit, we have Valcambi Swiss 100 times 1 combi bars. Okay? So these 100 times 1 combi bars, and as you can see from the video here, that they all are individual grams within a bar form, which you can release from its protective packaging. And here's the other side there. And at some point, break apart these bars as individual pieces. Individual pieces that are a gram a piece, and every single piece, and I don't know if you can see in this video here, but every single piece has its own markings, its own stamp that's saying it's 1 gram, that's saying it's 3 nines pure, that's saying it's assayed. That's what that assay is pure is on there. And so every one of these is an individual coin. Now this is one sheet and it's all put together, but you can work these things apart and break them apart and have them as individual coins, which make for really, really cool items to transact with. Now, this, I say, is advanced stacking because Valcambi combi bars aren't going to be useful until you get into the advanced stages of using silver as currency. We're talking now that silver has entered a hyperinflation in terms of, its dollar value. Dollars aren't doing as much as they used to. Silver and gold are doing a lot more than they used to. And as such, you don't want to overpay for anything if you're transacting in gold and silver, or even if you're like charging a debit card or a credit card with precious metals. You want to be able to make sure you can incrementalize the amount that you do when you do it. So, the Valcambi combi bars are the best way to use the incremental value of your stack to, in very small amounts, increase, your purchasing power. You can get grams online. You can get grams of silver online. But the thing is, when you do, you buy individual grams, and a lot of the retailers want to charge you anywhere from $1.50 to probably $3 and change, $3.20 for one individual gram of silver. Now think about that. By that metric, this combi bar here would be probably about $330, $320. However, if you go online, you buy one of these combi bars from the retailers, the same retailers, by the way, who will, in fact, break apart these combi bars and sell individual gram pieces, because some people can't afford to buy 100 grams at a time. But a 100 gram bar like this, that has all of the assay information on it, that comes actually folded like this, and you can fit this thing inside of your shirt pocket or your vest pocket if you want to do that. They're probably going to charge about $130 if you buy one. If you buy more in terms of volume, say 10 or more or 9 or more, the price is going to come down a bit and save you some money. But in any case, these are the Valcambi Swift combi bars. And if you wanted to have a comparison to other metals, what this would actually value at, you could take an ounce of silver and then an ounce of copper. And then at the end of that would be your individual gram piece of Valcambi. So, I have a video coming up, and I will show you what it looks like when you break some of these things down, and you can be like some of the nobles that ran around in old England after the dark ages with their cloak on, running around in the rain, heading into a pub, and they need to pay for a hanchen or a flagon of ale or a piece of mutton or whatnot. Maybe they wanted to get information from some source so they could go and find even more treasure. But in any case, you will get a look at that. So the Valcambi Swiss combi bar, 100 times 1 gram, you can get it for about $130 individually at Atmex, Jam Bullion, SD Bullion, Money Metals Exchange, Modern Coin Mart. Take your pick. All of the good dealerships have it. Gamesville Coins, they have these Valcambi Swiss combi bars for $130. If you're going to get an advanced stacking and you don't want to start throwing an ounce of silver at everything once the economy starts changing, get some of these, break them down, and have them ready. And we'll show you that in the next video. Silver 5150. If you like this content or more of it, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. and we'll see you in a bit.